Now we come to the PDU sessions or the protocol data unit sessions. As we know that 5G is an all IP system. That means that all the services like voice, data and multimedia are carried over the IP packets. So in order to provide those services, the network needs to establish PDU sessions to the user equipment in order to provide those services to the user equipment. And each PDU session may consist of one or more quality of service flows. What does that mean? It means that, for example, this user equipment has established a PDU session all the way towards the core network, and then this data is going to the external network. So one of the it is using one of the quality of service flows in order to surf the internet. The user of this mobile is surfing the internet, and that data is passing through the quality of service flow 1. And at the same time, this user is also on a voice call. So the data of that voice call is passing through the quality of service flow 2. Now another question comes that what is meant by the quality of service or the quality of service of a flow. Quality of service of a flow is characterized by the data rate of the flow and whether this data rate is guaranteed or it is not guaranteed. Is there any condition on the latency of these packets, and what is the priority of these packets? Because, for example, if we compare the voice service with the surfing of the internet, the quality of service requirements for these two services are very different from one another, because we cannot allow the delay extending delay more than a certain limit in the case of packet flow, and of course the priority of voice packet is higher. So a PDU session consists of one or more quality of service flows, and each quality of service flow is identified by a quality of service ID. Each flow has its own quality of service ID. And here I also want to precise this, that a user equipment at a time can establish one PDU session per network slice. What is network slice? We will come to it later on.